Hello everyone, it's Ashish from ashvircreations, and guys, welcome back to my YouTube channel. Guys, I really wanted to tell you that we have completed 3 years on YouTube, and still we are at just 33,000 subscribers. And also I have uploaded more than thousands of videos on YouTube. As you already know that guys, I am providing the best content for you guys just for free in the form of Lightroom preset, mobile Lightroom preset, and also the LUTs for your Photoshop and many more cool photo editing as well as video editing stuff on our website. So it's a high time for you guys to just support me and just grow our YouTube channel. So guys, I want to request you that kindly do share our videos and also just spread it as much as you can. So in 2020 our goal is to make a little bit of bigger community on YouTube. So kindly guys, don't forget to share all our videos and help us to gain more subscribers on YouTube. Apart from that guys, in 2020 I'll be giving you the more cool and premium stuff just for free in the form of presets, all you want on our website. And we're gonna launch soon the next website, that is filterpreset.com. and the next important thing is to follow us on Instagram. Just type ashvircreations. Also let me know in the comments down that what kind of videos you want in my upcoming tutorials and what kind of presets you want. Everything you may just tell me in the comments down below. So guys, thank you for watching, and just be creative and be awesome.